Are you maximising the use of the dashboard? In addition to the appointment calendar, did you know that there are other dashboard views that you can use to get complete visibility of what's going on day to day in your practice? Join me as I go through the Hospital tab, the Worklist tab, and the Diagnostics tab, all found within the dashboard. Let's go check it out. In a busy hospital, keeping track of where patients are is crucial. This is where your practice can start to utilise the Hospital tab as part of their go-to daily workflow. Simply open up the Hospital tab and see that you have a snapshot of the entire practice. To dive deeper, you can filter by case owner or the resource. If you're a multi-site practice, you can choose to filter by department. For single-site practices, you won't see this option. Next, set your specific filters on what statuses you want to view. You can also choose to display in-clinic and hospital notes. If you're updating multiple patient statuses at the same time, you can do this directly from this tab. Toggle the relevant patients, then select Change Status. Next, choose the new status from the drop-down menu, then select Change Status to apply the bulk update. And that's it. A pretty simple way to keep track of patients throughout the practice. In addition to keeping track of patients, are you also finding it difficult to manage which diagnostic requests you've raised for multiple patients? The Worklist tab pulls this information into one easy-to-manage dashboard. Head to the Worklist. Quick tip, we'd recommend using the Worklist as an active list, where you only see the requests that are still awaiting results. Once again, you can create user-specific filters by supplier, date range, vet, patient, and diagnostic request. We're going to filter ours by vet to only show the requests for one vet. You'll notice 6 icons on the far right-hand side. The label icon lets you print the diagnostic label. The PDF icon lets you print a requisition form. The keyboard icon allows you to manually enter results for non-integrated in-house diagnostics. The pencil icon allows you to edit the existing request. The tick icon to unapprove the request from within the worklist. And lastly, the red X icon, allowing you to completely disable the request. This means there's no need to go back and forth between multiple tabs. Make your changes within the worklist and they will backflow into the clinical record. The last section is the unallocated diagnostic results. For any results that have automatically come back into ezyVet and are not assigned to a patient, will sit within the unallocated diagnostics section. Simply double-click on the allocated result and add the relevant patient, clinical record, and diagnostic request. Then select Update. Once complete, this will remove the result from the unallocated diagnostics section, keeping your list clean and up to date, meaning you only see the requests that are awaiting results. The final tab we're going to check out is the Diagnostics tab, where you can view all incoming results from in-house blood machines, pathology labs, and imaging modalities. Select the Diagnostic tab, apply your user-specific filters. Once again, we'd recommend using this as an active worklist, so that only the results showing are the ones that need to be interpreted. Next, double-click on the diagnostic result that you want to open. Once you've finished, simply select the tick icon to mark as complete. Then, based on our settings, this will completely remove the diagnostic result from the list, meaning this list only shows any outstanding results that need to be reviewed. And there you have it. 3 ways that your team can have complete visibility of what's going on day to day. To learn more, head to the Help tab and search Dashboard to find out everything you need to know.